So there is no formula for this. It is, as I said, it is your story, and that is where your whole design brain comes in, right? And that is why you are a designer and someone else isn't. So you have to completely remove your blinkers and be completely free when you get into a project. I think the only way to approach this is to approach it with an open mind. When you have an open mind, you're open to inspiration. When you have a closed mind, when you're trying to quickly solve something or you're trying to look at somebody else's work, then you're trying to put yourself in a silo too early. So that is what I would avoid doing. I would avoid looking at too much imagery. In fact, I would then focus on researching. And when I research, I sort of form an image or a picture of what I want my project to look like. And that should then define what you want to do. So that is how we approach it. And sketch a lot, dabble with a lot of hand sketches, doodle a lot, because that allows your mind to think freely. The more technology you use today, the more it restricts you from thinking. So always your first few attempts should be on pen on paper, or these days you can sketch on iPads. I mean, I use the iPad all the time. I mean, I prefer to also write and take my notes on paper, because that somehow feels directly connected to my brain. And if you can sift through your thoughts on paper and sketch, and sift through them and walk your places and think through the research that you've done, you'll be able to solve almost 50% of your problems and arrive at a conclusion for yourself. So have your character, and the idea is, after you've done all of that, you must be able to come down to who your character is and what your plot is. That's basically what you're doing, right? So the example of Rehan was exactly that we boiled down to creating a character who was in a certain context, and we were telling his story. And all of this depends on what kind of project you're doing as well. So if you're doing a corporate space, you will be telling different kinds of stories. When you're doing a hotel, your stories will change, and when you're doing a residence, you have to for sure tell stories of your owner or the residents in the house. So that's how you should approach a project.